Drive at 60 miles an hour past someone's garden, and the chances are the one plant that you're probably going to notice is this very bright, striking variety of deciduous azalea. It is, of course, Azalea Gibraltar. Here's one that, as you see, produces these amazingly colorful flowers. When you look into them first, you'll see that the buds emerge with this red flush right at the tip of the bud. When they open, the flowers, which are much smaller than many of the other Exbury azaleas, have this kind of crinkly edge to the petal in brilliant orange, and that's what makes this plant so striking. It's also quite a compact grower. It only gets to about 5 foot or so in 10 years, and is also a nice vigorous grower that has good resistance to diseases like mildew. Now, it's one that was raised by Lionel de Rothschild. He was bitten really by the hybridizing bug, and during the 1920s and 30s he started to breed and develop a lot of deciduous and other evergreen rhododendrons too. He really took over from the work that was going on at Anthony Waterer's Knaphill Nursery, and he was looking to breed varieties with more intense color and also with larger flowers. Take a look at this one, Klondike, which is also an Exbury variety. But you see that he was working on developing and breeding all of these varieties, had an immense staff. It said that he had 150 gardeners at one point working. It's also said that they planted out as many as 1 million plants at a time. And in his stud book, which he left upon his death in 1942, it's recorded that he marked over 1,200 seedlings that he regarded as being superior, and out of that 452 that he thought should be good enough to be named and registered. And then in 1947, his son Edmund de Rothschild came back, took over the Exbury estate, and then started to introduce some of the varieties that his father had raised, of which this is one of them. This is the amazing Azalea Gibraltar, definitely one that's going to catch the eye of all of your visitors that come to visit your garden. I'm not suggesting they drive fast by your garden, but one thing's for sure, they're definitely going to notice Azalea Gibraltar.